What is super reading? We're going to combine all of the techniques that we've learned so far to some pretty powerful information sorting and processing systems, and we're going to come up with this concept of super reading. So if you think about what we've already learned, we've learned the classic speed reading techniques that you'll get in all the other speed reading courses out there. We have learned modern speed reading, where we've totally overhauled those techniques with RSVP, which is phenomenal. It boosts your speed reading instantly. Now we're going to learn two methods that are used in the top universities around the world. They sound simple, but they're not. Skimming is one, and scanning. We're going to look at them in depth, and we're going to have an examination on each. They should be used in very specific scenarios and in combination with the other techniques of speed reading. The other technique we're going to learn is triaging. So we're going to learn how to sort information, combine all the techniques, and rip information out of a source as quickly as possible. Because at the end of the day, that's how my productivity has gone so high. You can imagine the amount of material I've had to read for a legal degree, for pilot's license. If you own a business or if you're in a corporate sector, you would understand how much information you have to process, how much legal rubbish you got to read. If you're in school, you know how much you got to read. If you can remember back to your university days or your high school days, when a teacher said, hey, this is what's going to be in the exam, this page. You got a textbook with 400 pages, but this page, I'd pay special attention to it. He's giving you a shortcut to achieving a result. And the truth is, we're living in a day and an age where results are going to count more than comprehensiveness. The reason for that is we have crossed the point of information overload. What I mean is, let's take a case study of YouTube. A few years ago, YouTube crossed the line between 24 hours of content being uploaded to its service over every 24 hours. So what that means is, a few years ago, there came a point where you could no longer watch everything being uploaded to YouTube. Even if that's all you did, no toilet breaks, you cannot do it because more than 24 hours is being uploaded to YouTube in every 24 hours. Well, at the moment, more information is being produced, even in niche fields, than you could ever take in. It's getting worse, and even if you were the world's fastest speed reader at 25,000 words per minute, you're fighting a losing battle. We need some new techniques to become a super learner, a speed reader, to make sure that we can get information as fast as possible. That's how we're going to get an edge, and that's how you're going to hack your productivity 10 times.